One of the easiest ways to make healthy meals is with an air fryer. Crispy flavors with less oil. Today, we'll review the 5 best air fryers of 2025. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1, Ninja AF101, Cosori 9-in-1, Ninja Foodi Max AF400, and Philips Essential Airfryer XL. Which model is right for you? Let's discover. The first-ranked Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 air fryer is highly functional with multiple cooking functions. Features: 5.7-liter capacity with 6 cooking functions. Air fryer, frying, grilling, baking, reheating, drying. 1700 watts of power for fast cooking. Performance: even crisp airflow technology ensures crispy results with 95% less oil. Ideal for who? Perfect for users looking for a versatile appliance to prepare quick and practical meals. The Ninja AF101 stands out with its compact design and powerful engine. Features: 3.8-liter capacity, 1550 watts of power, 4 cooking functions, ceramic-coated non-stick cooking basket. Performance: you can get fast and efficient results with different cooking options. By adjusting the temperature and fan speed, you can cook according to the dishes you want. Ideal for who? Perfect for small kitchens or for those who live alone. The Cosori 9-in-1 is not just an air fryer, it's a kitchen chef. Features: 9 different cooking functions: frying, baking, reheating, pizza baking, bread baking, cake baking, etc. 1700 watts of power and a capacity of 5.7 liters, ideal for large families. Performance: you can easily adjust settings via the LED touchscreen and prepare delicious meals with fast cooking times. Ideal for who? Great for users who like to cook a variety of dishes and need a large capacity. The Ninja Foodi Max Airfryer AF400 stands out with its large capacity and high performance. Features: 7.6-liter capacity for large groups. Versatile with 6 cooking functions: air fryer, frying, grilling, baking, reheating, and cooking. Performance: the ceramic-coated non-stick cooking basket makes cooking easy and healthy. Ideal for who? Ideal for large families and frequent guests. Finally, the Philips Essential Airfryer XL models are a great choice for healthy meals. Features: 6.2-liter capacity, 2225 watts of power, offers 5 cooking functions: air fryer, frying, grilling, baking, reheating. Performance: with the fast cooking technology, you can prepare the dishes you want in a short time. It also provides ease of use with the digital touchscreen. Ideal for who? A perfect option for those who want fast food preparation and large capacity.